Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel and welcome to the graphic series once again. Here's come the program number 4, that is draw a triangle. अभी हम बनाएंगे ग्राफिक्स के थ्रू ट्राइंगल बनाना। तो सेम वही शुरू करते हैं। हैश इंक्लूड स्टूडियो.h, हैश इंक्लूड conio.h, हैश इंक्लूड graphics.h, void main. Then gd is a driver which will be given detect, then gm, then InitGraph and gd and gm and the path. Line 300, 100, 200, 200. Then again line. This line is from x, this line is from y, this line from x to y. तो ट्राइंगल कैसे होता है? ऐसे ऐसे ऐसे। ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट लाइन है from x, second line है from y and third line है from x to y, and then get ch and close graph. Now I will explain InitGraph. Initialize the graphic system. Declaration void InitGraph. First is driver pointer, second is graph mode, third is path to driver. Remarks: to start the graphic system, you must first call InitGraph. InitGraph initializes the graphic system by loading a graphics driver from the disk or validating a driver, then putting the system into graphics. This is a small and cute program of draw a triangle in graphics. I hope you will able to make it. This is the 4th series of our graphics programming, and the practical sessions will be recorded soon. This is just a theoretical section. Thank you so much for all the support you are giving. Love. Have a nice day. Good day. Oh, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay? Do that. Thank you.